Hello friends, myself Halavat Ramesh, Department of Chemistry, Laila College, Chennai. So basically, I am from the Telangana state. I want to talk about today Telangana State Engineering Common Entrance Test, means TSE set chemistry bits. When that see the last 5 years papers, what are the repeated bits came from the chemistry? I was mentioned here the total 16 bits. We will see the one by one through, and I will give you the answers. Okay. If you see that learn chemistry, think chemistry, and practice chemistry. Once you will start to read anything, just will think, and what we are going to learn today, those things we will be follow one by one. Okay, you will see that first one slide. The first one, see the refrigerator furan 12 chemically. What is the formula? First one, it's given CCl2 and F2, and second one CCl3 and F, and CClF3 and CHClF2. From that first one, what is the first one? The refrigerated furans 12 chemically. The correct answer is CCl2F2. The first one correct answer is first one. Okay, CCl2F2. Let's see the second one. For an F orbital, the volume of mR here is given. First one +1, comma -1, comma 0, +1, and -3 and -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, and third one is the 0, +1, +2, +3, and fourth one -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. So from that above F orbital, the volume of mR, the second one is the correct answer. You can see the m orbital sequence -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. So second one correct answer is the second one. Okay, and you can see the third one. You can see the third one here. Among the lithium chloride and beryllium chloride, boron chloride, and carbon tetrachloride, the covalent character follows the order. Lithium chloride less than, greater than, it's given like that. Beryllium chloride and boron chloride and carbon tetrachloride. So lithium chloride, beryllium chloride, boron chloride, carbon tetrachloride, here second one is the correct answer. Okay, you can see the next one bit, fourth one. If you see the fourth one bit here, fourth one bit you can see here, lithium chloride, beryllium chloride. See the fourth one, the question, the fourth one question, the lowest oxidation state in its compound is exhibited by. The lowest here given the four compounds, which one shows the lowest oxidation state, right? So you can see that nitrogen atomic number is 7, oxygen and carbon and fluorine. So fluorine will shows the, F means fluorine will shows the lowest oxidation states compound. So fourth one 4 is the correct answer. The fifth one question, which of the following is a basic flex? So the first one here given Na2 B4O7, and second one calcium oxide CaO, and third one C1 is SiO2 silicon oxide and P2O5. So basic flex means calcium oxide is the correct answer. Fifth one. You can see the sixth one question. The water acts as an excellent solvent due to the which property among the following? Water is the, it thinks the water simply we will call the universal solvent. What is the behind that? Why the water will call universal solvent? And water is acting as an excellent solvent because what is the property here? Here is given high viscosity, first one, and second one high enthalpy of formation, and third one high dielectric constant, and fourth one is the high density. So sixth one, the high dielectric constant. That's why the water molecule having the high dielectric constant. That's why it acts as a universal solvent and excellent solvent. Okay, you can see the next one, seventh one bit. The monomer used in PVC. PVC means polyvinyl chloride preparation is. So polymers means the small monomers is combined to form a big chain. That is called as the polymerization or polymer. So the monomer of PVC. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. What is the first one monomer? The first one is given ethane, chloroethane, dichloroethane, tetrachloroethane. So monomer of the PVC is the chloroethane is the correct answer. So seventh one correct answer is 2. Next you can see the eighth one. Which of the following type for for force and a type of nylon 66. So nylon 66, the polymer chapter, nylon 66, the force, which force is involved to the nylon 66. So electrostatic force of attractions or hydrogen bonding, a three-dimensional network of bonds and the metallic bonding. So the second one is the correct answer. Say hydrogen bonding. See, the nylon 66, the combination, it form the bond hydrogen bonds. Okay, that is have the between the force. Then ninth one, which one of the following is the primary pollutant? Okay, ninth one is the which one of the following is the primary pollutant? Carbon, first one is carbon monoxide, PAN, aldehyde, H2SO4. So first one is the carbon monoxide, CO is the primary pollutant of this answer. So ninth one, first answer is the first one. Okay. And next one, see the 10th one, the ozone layer of upper atmosphere is being destroyed by, the ozone layer is the upper atmosphere is being destroyed by, here given the options, 4 options is given here. Which is the first one? You can see the correct one. Photochemical oxidation like oxygen and carbon dioxide. And second one is the chlorofluorocarbon. And third one is smog. And fourth one is the sulfur dioxide. So the ozone layer is completely upper layer destroyed by the chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. Okay. So 10th one, the correct answer is second. You can see the 11th one, eutrophication cause reduction in, you know that the environmental science lessons, you can understood here this one. Eutrophications cause the reduction in dissolving salt, dissolving hydrogen, and third one is the dissolved oxygen, and fourth one dissolving solid. So the eutrophications cause the reduction in the dissolving oxygen. In the oxygen presence only will form the reduction. Okay. So 11th one correct answer is the third one. You can see the next here, the 12th one. Which one of the chemical substance is maximum in natural gas? So here is given the 4. First one is CH4 methane, second one C2H6, and third one hydrogen, and fourth one carbon monoxide plus CO2. Which of the maximum natural gas is the methane? You know everyone, methane, CH4. The 12th one answer is the first one, CH4 methane. Okay. Next see the 13th one. Next see the 13th one bit. Here 13th one, which one of the following metal could provides cathodic protection of iron? So iron will form the rusting, right? So which one form the protection of the cathodic reaction? So here given the 4. So first one is copper and nickel, and second one zinc and copper, and third one is aluminium and zinc, and fourth one aluminium, zinc and nickel. So that cathodic protection of the iron is the aluminium and zinc is the correct answer. So 13th one is the 3 is the correct answers. And 14th one you can see here, rusting of iron is catalyzed by which of the following? So rusting of iron catalyzed here. So here given the 4 elements means compounds. So first one see the Fe, second one zinc, third one oxygen, and fourth one is the H plus ions. So rusting of iron catalyzed by the following the H plus ion. So 14th one correct answer is the 4 is the correct answers. Okay, H plus ion. Next you can see the 15th bit, in which part of the atmosphere ozone layer is present. Which you know that 4 layers, in which layer the ozone layer is be present. You can see here the first one, stratosphere, and tropospheres, mesospheres, and thermosphere. So stratosphere is the correct answer. The stratospheres contain the ozone layer. Okay. And next one, see the 16th one bit, an example of toxic metal. Here given the 3 metals, which one is the toxic metal? Here first one is the Hg, lead, and arsenic, and fourth one is all the above. See these 3 all are the toxic metals. Okay, so the answer 16th one answer is the 4 is the correct answers. Okay, so from that I can close the today class. In the next class I will explain in detail and important bits in chemistry and in explanation parts also. If you like this video, and at the end click like, share, comment, and at the end of this session I will introduce one Abdul Kalam quotation. I like this quotation: the best brains of the nation may be found in the last bench of the classroom. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, share, comments and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for your kind support. Have a nice day. Okay, bye, see you.